Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today we have a very special day. It is the conclusion of the How to Trade SPY for a Living series. It's been a banger series, guys. We really killed it. I got a lot of great feedback from the series. So we're going to be having a celebration stream. We're going to be doing some giveaways. We're going to be having a good time, answering some questions, just having fun with the squad. All right. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. Why don't we start right away with a giveaway right off the bat? Who's ready? Who's ready for a giveaway? Hit me with a 1 if you're ready for a giveaway right now. We're going to hit this real hard. Who is ready for a giveaway? Hit me with a 1. I want to see the ones coming in. Boom, 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 boom. Bang, bang, bang coming in. Where are they at? Yes. All right. So we're going to do a giveaway. I'm going to my YouTube videos right now. I'm going to pull it over here in 1 second. Let me just find. Okay. So rare swing trading opportunities right here. All right. So this is the video we will be picking from. We're going to select a number here, guys, and we're going to pick somebody from here. Someone who commented here is going to get it. Pretty clean opportunity. It's only 35 comments, guys. All right. So let's go ahead and get the random number generator out right now. Random number generator from 1 to 35. Hit me with a drum roll, please. Can we get a drum roll right now, guys? Hit me with a drum roll, please. Drum roll, please, in the building. Okay, here we go. Boom, number 4. Number 4 for the 4 horsemen. Can you believe that? That's a sign. You guys that are here, you guys know 4 for the 4 horsemen. You know that. So that's a sign right there. So number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cody Rhodes. We have Cody Rhodes, the winner, right here. So let's read his comment together, guys. Thank you, Rich, for the recap today. I've been following and watching your videos for a long time now, and I really learned a lot from when I first started trading. And every single one of your videos, you always reiterate how to use the fibs and certain levels, as well as how to use orb, outside bars, and inside bars. Man, this guy did a really good job. He deserves it. Although I know what all those mean, a lot of new traders do not. I just want to say thank you for your consideration of new traders and for answering any questions that may seem simple to longtime traders but confusing for new traders. Keep up the great work, man. There we go. Cody Rhodes in the building right here. We got Cody Rhodes right here. Oh my God, I won. That's the boy right there. Congratulations, Cody. All right. So, Cody, we're going to hook you up with a book and 1 month free in the SPY VIP. You know how we do it. Let's pop it up right here. Winner. So right here, we have it right here. For Cody, you're going to get the SP500 Options Mastery book. Well deserved, my friend. All right. So just DM me on Twitter and we're just going to verify you, Cody. And thanks for playing. Thank you very much. Boom. All right. We're going to be doing a lot more of these throughout the night. So make sure you're tuned in and locked and loaded. Okay. So before we continue here, guys. So as you guys know, the SPY Options Mastery book is live. And I sent you guys a special $89.99 link. So the price on the website is $99.99. But anybody that did priority got it for $89.99. All right. And that link is going to expire soon, guys. I don't know how many more days it's going to last, but that link will expire soon. So if you want to lock in with the book at $89.99, make sure you use that link. Okay. I've sent it to all of your emails who are on the list. If you didn't get a link, then just DM me on Twitter and I'll send it to you. All right. But yeah, so there we go. So make sure. So let's just see. Hit me with a 1 if you brought your book to class right now. Hit me with a 1 if you brought your book. Hit me with a 1. And we're still sending them out, guys. We're still sending them out. We're still sending them out as we go. So some of you might not have it yet, but everybody from yesterday should have already gotten it, and we should have been caught up on that. All right. Make sure you guys fill out the form too. Okay. I see a lot of people didn't fill out the form right here, guys. After payment, please sign up here for your ebook copy and access right here, guys. Make sure you fill out that form so you can get into the Discord. All right. Clean. All right. So what I want to do, man, is I really want to look at some swing trades. I want to look at some swing trades, right? If we go to the SPY options mastery book right here, I need you guys to turn to page 49. Okay, turn to page 49. I'm going to be doing something a little special right now with the swing trades. I'm going to show you guys some of the results that we've been having with the swing trades. So go ahead and turn to page 49. Hit me with a 2 when you're on page 49, okay? Hit me with a 2 when you're on page 49. And then what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna pull up some swing trades and we're gonna get this party started. So guys, here we go. So this is just one of the swing trade logs that we have. So since we started the room, guys, these are the trades that we've taken with swing trades, okay? And all you guys have your book right there. All right, so let's just read this together, and then let me show you some real examples what we did recently. All right, and then we're gonna go from there. So first of all, let's hit this right here. So swing trading the S&P 500. So all of my swing trades on SPY start off first with the trading worst trading pattern on a higher time frame, right? So swing trading, guys, what it means is you're just going for the higher time frames. What I use here, the daily chart, 2-day, 3-day, 4-day, weekly, 2-week, 3-week, and the monthly, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. So obviously, the higher, right? The higher that you go on the time frame, the longer the trade is going to take. Because if you're taking a swing trade on a monthly bar, right, each candle is going to take 1 month to form. So you always keep that into consideration. So the main thing here is the main difference between swing and day trading is the duration of the trade and the risk exposure. Okay, that's very important because if the monthly bar is big, guys, you're going to have a big entry and a big stop loss. So remember that. So if you're very new to trading and you want to just take it easy, guys, then you can just, take a few swings. So let me show you some examples here. So here's some of the charts in here. Let me show you this. So this is this right here, guys, is the results of the swing trades. So I take detailed logs of everything, guys. We don't play around. I'm always trying to get better. Look at all this stuff. Look at all this stuff here. We're not playing around, guys. We don't play around. Check this out. Look at all this stuff here. All right. So let me get back to the swings for SPY. So this was every single trade we took on SPY from the start of the swing trading room. So there's only been 9 signals. Okay. This is on the daily chart for SPY. So this is the daily right here. Okay. So we started off with, let me go ahead and get this. October 11th. Sorry, is that October? Yes, October 11th, which was here. And then so October 11th, then the 18th, and then the 22nd, and then so on and so forth. So there was about 9. And what the signals are, guys, they are either inside bars or outside bars. Okay, they're either inside bars or they're outside bars. And that's pretty much what we're looking for the swing trades. And hey, guys, you know what? Let me up the ante here. All right, let me up the ante right now. All right, check this out. For every 3 people, that buy a book during this stream, all right, for every 3 people that buy a book on this stream, we're going to give 1 away. Okay? We're going to give 1 away. So I have the email open right here. For every 3 purchases of the book that come in, we're going to give 1 away for free. And if you already bought the book, guys, you're going to get a refund or you're going to get another book. All right. So let's make this a little bit more interesting. Okay. So if you haven't bought the book, you're on the fence. This is the time to do it, guys. All right. So let me talk to you guys about this strategy. Very, very simple. Okay. So what we're doing here, guys, is we are just looking for patterns that give us an edge. So everybody has a pen and the pad out right now? Everybody has a pen and the pad out? Let's write this down. Let's write this down. Okay, so let me just see. I'm looking at the email right now. I'm sure you guys can hear it. So that's 1. All right, that's 1. Okay, shout out to Tammy for that book purchase. Let's keep it going. So 2 more, we're going to unlock a giveaway. And we're going to keep going. We're going to keep going through this, all right? So check this out. So I'm going to write this down with you guys. So take these notes. You have your book right there. Okay, take some notes. So the trading wars patterns give us an edge because they are basically consolidation, and then we're going for expansion. Okay, we got another one in here. Let me see. Eduardo, Eduardo in here. All right. So Eduardo just bought another one. One more book is gonna one more purchase. We're gonna unlock another giveaway. All right. So as soon as it comes in, guys, the next person that buys a book, we're unlocking another giveaway. That's how we do it. All right. So they are consolidation. We're looking for expansion. It gives us an edge because we don't trade like headless chickens. Okay, hold on a second. We wait for the chicken to be seasoned before we cook it. Remember that, okay? That's what we do. Very important. And Derek, shout out to Derek. Derek with the purchase. All right, so there we go. 3 unlocked. All right, we got another book unlocked here. So what I'm going to do now for this one, I'm going to go to the Twitter and I'm going to go to one of our bookmarks here. So this one, I'm going to pick somebody from here. All right. So we're going to do this right now. Okay. So let me do the random number. Okay. I'm going to leave it up to you guys. All right. Give me a number between 1 and 200 right now. The first number that I see is going to be the winner right now. 1 and 200. Let me see it quickly. Don't hesitate. Don't think about it. 1 and 200. Give me a number. 13 from Double D. First man up here. Trading Wars Army member. So let's do this. Double D, respect. Thank you for giving me a low number because I don't even think I can count past 100. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. My brother right here, Tut Moses or Tutmosis or whatever with the teddy bear logo. You are the winner, my brother. Appreciate you. All right. So just DM me, brother, and we're going to take care of you. Okay. So good job, brother. Next, what do we have here? All right, we've got another one came in. Priscilla, shout out to Priscilla. So 2 more, and we're gonna unlock another one because that's how we say it. That's how we do it. We just keep it rolling. All right, back to the lesson. Okay. All right. So think about this now. Okay. So let's start off with this inside bar here as an example. So here's an inside bar. So this is one of the ones we took in the swing room. This was on the 11th of November. You could see it was a winner, right? So here we go. So what does this mean? So literally the easiest way to think about it is like this. You want to get into a trade when it's consolidating, when it's going sideways, because when it's going sideways, that is when it's building up tension. Okay. So let's look at this in detail here. So remember, if we look at the inside bar, if we look to the bar to the left, we had a big bar. We had wicks on both sides. And then during the inside bar, we basically do nothing. We go sideways. Okay. And when we go sideways, it's building energy because it's trapping the bears and the bulls. Because imagine if you're in this trade. Imagine if you bought here or you shorted here. The next day when it goes sideways, you're going to be all like, oh my God, what's happening? Nothing's happening. And guess what's also going to happen? The option premiums are going to be decaying as well. The option premiums, I'm going to pick somebody from the chat right on the chat right now. I'm going to pick somebody that's typing in the chat. I'm going to pick you as one of you guys as a winner in a bit. All right. But let's keep going here. So we're looking for the expansion, and how we determine this, guys, just look. Let's do a favor here. Okay. Do a favor with me. Okay. Let's look at the last 10 inside bars. Okay. Let's not talk about win or lose. All we want to do, let's start off with a basic theory. Okay. Let's start off with a basic theory. Let's look at the last 10 bars and let's see with the last 10 bars, did they break out? Did they make a move after? Okay. So first, pen in the pad, what you want to write down, like right here, we're going to write this here. Thesis. After inside bar, we get breakout. Okay. And then we'll write this: consolidation leads to a breakout. So let's look at the last 10 inside bars. And then what we're going to do here is you guys are going to let me know if we had a move. All right. So, okay. So thank you, Saba. Saba, thank you for the book purchase, brother or sister. 2 more book purchases and we unlock another one. All right. So let's keep it going. Okay. So let's look at the last 10. We're going to do this fast. If we had a nice move after the inside bar, I want you to hit me with a 1. If we didn't have a good move, I want you to hit me with a 2. And we're going to start from here. Okay, so this inside bar was on the 2nd of December. Did we have a good move after this inside bar? 1 for yes, 2 for no. What do you guys think? 1 for yes, 2 for no. Okay. All right. I see you. Okay. So in this inside bar, we actually created a nirvana next. Nirvana is an outside bar. So inside outside creates a nirvana. So what happened here is we broke to the downside and then we broke back up to the outside, which had a great move after, right? So this is one of the trades we took as well. We made money on this one too. Okay. So I'll show you right here. So if we go to the 3rd of December, this was the last trade that was completed. We took the outside bar and we made it hit all the targets. It hit all the targets. All right. So for example, this 3, right? What that means is 3 times your risk. So if you put in $1,000, right, then you're gonna make $3,000. If you put in 10,000, you're gonna make 30,000. You put in 100,000, you make 300,000. It's 3 times your risk. That's what it means. Okay. All right. So we have Saba, Stefan, my brother. What's going on, brother? Appreciate you. Stefan, and we're waiting for one more. All right, we're waiting for one more. Then we're gonna push that out. Okay. So wait. Boom, Francis. All right, there we go, guys. 3. So let's do it right now. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 25 in my head. So go ahead and type in a number right now. So whoever gets this number is gonna get the book. So between 1 and 25. Go, 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 quick, quick, quick. Type it out. The first person that gets it, the first person that I see right here, boom, D23, number 7. That's what I wanted right there, D23. All right. You are the winner of the SPY Options Mastery book, my brother. I appreciate you very, very much. D23 in the building. All right. We'll keep it going, guys. We'll keep it going. Don't worry. There's lots to give away. Don't worry. We keep it going. All right. All right. So now back to where we were. Okay, hold up. All right. So now we're going to restart the 3. We're going to restart the 3. Okay. So just all you got to do, guys, if you won, you DM me on Twitter and I'm going to get you to comment on one of my videos which video I tell you to, so I can verify that it's you. Because you guys want to hear a funny story? The other day I had a winner, a giveaway winner, right? And he DM'd me and I gave him my book and everything. And then some other guy came and said, "Hey, oh my God, I'm so happy that I won. Thank you so much." But this person, they actually created their Twitter profile like that same day so that they could get a free copy of the book. So that person was trying to scam me. So anyways, the right person got the book. So we have different controls in place right now so we can protect ourselves, right? You guys know I'm a CPA, so we have controls. Okay. You guys can't get past me. You can't get those things past me. We have controls, guys. We have controls in place. All right. Okay, so let's go back to where we were right now. So that inside bar, beautiful. Okay. Next, this inside bar, 17th of November. Did this have a good directional move? Yes or no? Hit me with a 1 if yes, hit me with a 2 if no. What do you guys think? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? 1 or 2 off this inside bar. Was this a good directional move or no? Okay, good. What about this one here? 11th of November. Was that a good directional? This one was clean. This one was clean because this one just went straight. Like sometimes you get a trap, like it breaks below and then breaks back up, or it breaks up and then comes down. But this one is clean, right? So that's a winner. Then we have this one right here. Was this a winner? 1 or 2, right? Clean. Okay. And then the last inside bar we had was here. That was a beautiful winner as well. And then we had a double inside bar, which was a gap down. Okay. That was a gap down. All right. So basically, guys, the whole point of this is we're saying, look, after an inside bar, we get a breakout generally. Okay. So consolidation leading to a breakout. That's what we're looking for. And this is why I say we wait for the chicken to be seasoned before we cook it. So right here, guys, look, this inside bar, it's like you have a piece of chicken. Let's say you have some chicken legs. Okay. And with those chicken legs, you know, you're putting in the seasoning, you're cooking it up nicely, you're getting it ready for the grill. Okay, you're getting it ready for the grill. And that's what the consolidation is. You don't want to come and get the chicken when it's not ready. You understand? You gotta have it ready. And the inside bar is what makes the chart ready, because it takes the time to consolidate so that we can look for a breakout. Okay. And here's the other thing that I'm going to say. What happens to option premiums when we go sideways? For all of my traders in here, for anybody that's traded options before, I know you guys know the answer to this. What happens to options premiums when you go sideways? What happens? Somebody tell me. Let me check on there. Boom, boom, boom. All right. No new books right now. All right. So we're still waiting. DK. Yes, 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 yes. We have option premium DK. Okay. We have option premium DK. And with the option premium DK, that's when we want to come in. We want to come into the building when everybody is already in trouble, because that's when we're going to make the most money. And let me just, I know this one's not related to SPY, but this is the last one I remember that was a really good trade. Let me go to DDOG. All right. This was the weekly chart on DDOG. So we took a swing trade here on DDOG. Okay. And we entered right around here. So once you see this white line, 168, 167.82, that's when we entered DDOG. Okay. So we got in here, but look at the pattern before. This is the weekly chart for DDOG. So now check this out. Look at the pattern before. Before we entered, we had a double inside bar pattern. So what do you guys think happened to the option premiums on DDOG before we entered it? What happened to the option premiums? Okay, let's shout out this brother here. Oh my God, I can't believe I won. I've never won anything at all. This is great. Thank you again, Rich. Thank you for being here, brother. Thank you. That's the least I can do for the people that support me. I will always support you guys. I promise you. Right? So look. So yeah, so with DDOG, we went sideways for 2 weeks. We killed the premiums, and then Trading Wars, the Trading Wars army, we come here. Okay, we come in here. The Trading Wars army, we come in here and we tag. We get in on the white. I got in on the white line. I didn't wait till here. I got in on the white line. All right. So that's what we're trying to do. That's what we're trying to do. Okay. So that's about swings. The other pattern that we can trade is the outside bar. Okay. The other pattern we could trade is the outside bar. Outside bar. Why? So why? It traps both sides. Okay? That's very important. It traps both sides. All right, we got another book purchase right here from Natalie. Thank you very much. All right, guys, 2 more book purchases and we'll be giving another one out. One more? Okay, one more. Derry's with me today. He's sitting beside me. He says one more, okay? So he's the boss. One more book purchase and we're going to give away another one, all right? But let me explain this to you, the outside bar, okay? So the outside bar, you can see we had the outside bar here. We had outside bar here, 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 okay? Shout out to Derry. Yes, sir. So here's an example of a powerful one, right? Okay. So an outside bar, let's look at this in detail. All right, let's hit the replay. Let's hit the replay. Let's look at this in detail. Okay. So now I want you to put yourself in this trader's shoes. Okay. I want you to put yourself in this trader's shoes. You ready? We're going to pretend that we are trading. Okay. We're going to pretend that we are trading right now. So this is what happens. So you see we have some wicks on the top. Okay. Can you guys see this? We have a wick on the top, a wick on the top, and we have a wick on the bottom and the wick on the bottom. Okay. Hit me with a 4. Hit me with a 4 if you follow me right now. We have a wick on the top, a wick on the top, a wick on the bottom, a wick on the bottom. What the wick means is that somebody, you see this wick right here at the high? What's the high? 470.94. What it means is that somebody bought at 470.94. Somebody bought and then it turned around. So that person is not feeling good right now. Okay. Now let's look at this one. So the low was 466.34. So somebody bought at 466.34. It went all the way back up to 470.94, and they made some money, and now it's coming back down. So now we have two parties. We have the bulls that bought at the top that are not feeling comfortable. We got the bulls that bought at the bottom that probably took some profits and are still wondering what they should do next. And we also have the bears. So now the bears are looking at this like, all right, this is a double top. Okay, the bear is looking at it, okay, here's a resistance, here's a resistance. Okay, this is a double top. So now we have a combination of bears and bulls in their mentalities, their psychology. Okay, so the next bar comes in here, outside bar. This is a very important bar, guys. And the reason why is this, because if any of the traders were using this bar, the last bar on the 19th of November, if any of the traders were using this as their stop loss, so let's say somebody was shorting and they had their stop loss up here, they got squeezed. If somebody was going long and they had their stop loss here, they got squeezed. Okay. So now we have a lot of trapped traders. We have traders that bought the all-time high that are trapped. We also have bears that are shorting up there. And we have bulls that are bought down here that are saying, you know what, I'm going to cover my position now because we're getting back to where my break even was. So we have a lot of trapped parties. That's why the outside bar is very important, because it simultaneously traps both sides, because we broke the high and the low of the previous bar. Anybody that was using the high and the low as their proxy to managing the trade would have been trapped. All right. And then right here, guys, if I pull up the book, you'll see I have a section for my patterns right here. So these are my patterns: Holy Grail, outside, double, inside, and Nirvana. So let's read the outside together. Okay. Pattern, outside bar. Purpose: tends to trap both bears and bulls with the outside bar breaking previous highs and lows. We tend to see expansion of this tight range with a break above the high low during the next candle formation. Very important. So this trade came to our attention on the 22nd of November. You could see it's right here on the 22nd of November. And what we did from there, guys, is all we did is we just took the next trigger. Okay, we took the next trigger. We took this together in the Discord. Let me pull up the Discord. Okay, and I'm going to explain to you guys. The whole point of it is you're looking for a prime. You're looking for a pattern where it's ready to make a move. And if I go back here and go back to November, what day was that? What did I say? November 22nd, which is 11/22. You can see right here. Swing trade triggered today, got filled. Exactly. So here we go. So right here, guys. So this is the actual plan. And then you could see on the 23rd, we actually achieved the targets. All right. So now we can just play this out. Boom. Right. So we get filled the next day short, and then we come through. We take a little bit of a pullback, and then there we go. That's the payday. Right. And it's just simple patterns. We know the outside bar traps some people. Right. We got in short when we broke down, and we saw some bulls stepping in, but then we got that gap and we got paid. And then we had a continuation there, guys. Nice little Fibonacci push down. I could draw the Fibonacci from this high, pull it down to this low. You could see we pulled back to the 50, and then we traded to the 50 extension right there. Let me let this play out, and then we reversed. So that is 100% Fibonacci based right there. Okay. Very, very clean. All right. So there we go, guys. So in the room, we've taken these 9 swing trades since we started. These are the different targets, right? So 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. So just if you want to just be hit in and out, if you just want to get in and out, you want to get bam, bam, you say, okay, I'm going to risk 1,000 to make 1,000. Then we had a 78% win rate. Okay. 7 wins and only 2 losses, which is exceptional. Right. So obviously, I don't know if this is going to continue. I don't know, whatever. Like if this is going to be, it's not always going to be 78%. That's really, really high. Right. It's not always going to be that win rate. But we had a great year with the swings. Right. You could have literally just came in and just took the swings and didn't do anything else and made good money. Okay. And I want to share that with you guys because I was preparing it and making sure that it's ready for you guys today so we could look at it together. So for those of you who have your book, make sure you take some notes. Okay. Take some notes. Daily chart, outside, inside bars, Nirvanas, Holy Grails. We're looking for those. And you can see here something that's very important. I want to spend a quick minute on this. something that's very important. Notice, as we go for bigger targets, the win rate goes down, but the profitability generally goes up to a certain extent. You're going to get to a point where the profitability at a certain level is going to be very profitable, and then it's going to start to taper off. So you can see right here, like the sweet spot was about 2.5 R, so 2.5 times your money. So if you risk $1,000, $2,500 profit, about that. All right. And then from here, you could see 67% win rate, 12 R, really, really good. Okay. So hopefully this continues into next year. I don't know, but that's just a simple way, guys. Imagine you could only take maybe 2 trades a month, 1 trade a month, and just let it work, let it do its thing, and don't worry about anything. That's one of the strategies that I wrote about in the book, and I hope you guys, I want to show you guys some real examples of that. All right, guys, hit me with a 1 if you're good with the swings. All right, let's take a look at this, guys. All right, so we're still waiting on the next book purchase to unlock another free book. All right, so Natalie was the last one. We're waiting for another person to come through. All right, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All right, beautiful. All right, in the meantime, that was the swing trade recap. I really hope it helps you guys out, man. This is not just for SPY. This can work on any stock as long as you do the due diligence and the back testing and make sure that it works on that particular name. How do you get 2.5 R? Well, there's multiple ways. You can use shares, you can use option contracts, you can use futures. Like I know, like these puts that we took up here, they went for about 150% return, right? So let's say you're risking 50%. Let's say you have a 50% stop loss on your options, right? I like to use 100%, but let's just say, you're doing 50 because you don't really take any heat on this position. You have a little bit of a pullback, but not much. So let's say you risk 50%. And if you make 150%, then that's 3 times your money. See what I'm saying, guys? All right, beautiful. All right, so let's go and let's pick. Even though we didn't get another book, that's okay. I'm gonna do a giveaway, another one right now. All right, so hit me with a 5 if you're ready for another giveaway. I can't believe we're 32 minutes into this. It's actually pretty crazy. Boom, my brother Deb with the $10. Thank you, sir. Rich, thank you for all you do. Can you take a moment to direct me to the video how you set the colors for inside bar and outside bar, etc. on Tradingview? All right, let's do that for you right now, brother. Appreciate you. Okay, so first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to add my indicators to your chart. So if we go here on the Twitter, you'll see that I posted the last post that I did with the picks. Here is my free indicators. Okay. So all you have to do here, guys, you click on this. Okay. And then it's going to take you to Tradingview. And then it's going to say add to favorite indicators. You go ahead here, you click add to favorite indicators. It's already added for me. So that's why it says remove. So once you add it, you go to the chart now. And when you go to indicators, you're going to go to favorites. Okay. And then you should see the indicators there. So I have the premium version with alerts on, but you're going to get the regular golden. I have the premium with alerts, and that's for my members. The alerts you can set on your phone, right? Like if you want to set up inside bar alerts on your phone so you don't, or your email, that's what I use them for. So then when you're there, what you want to do is hit the settings, and then you want to go to inputs. So inputs will stay the same. This is just the Bollinger Bands and the style. So inside bar color, so I put it as yellow. Outside bar color, I put it as white. And then shapes, I do yellow and white. You can put them as anything you want to, guys. But I prefer these colors. But the colors don't matter. Okay. And you can see with the premium indicators, they also highlights Holy Grail, triple inside bars, and double inside bars, where the regular version won't do that. All right. I have a version of my indicators for Thinkorswim in my Discord. So it's in my Discord in case you're looking for Thinkorswim versions. But I really do recommend Tradingview, guys. I'm a partner with them. I've been using them for years. I have nothing but good things to say about Tradingview. All right, so let's go down to the SPY on the 5. Okay, no, I said I was going to do a giveaway. So let me go ahead here, guys. I'm going to go to the forms, and I'm going to find a sign up here. So we did the sign up a while back. SPY room and drill down giveaway right here. Okay, I'm going to open up this one here. So in this spreadsheet, guys, we had 503 people sign up. So these were the people that filled out the form. All right, so we have 503. Okay, so so hit me with a 1 if you guys want to do hit me with a 1 if you guys want to do a random generator. Okay, or hit me with a 2 if you guys want to pick the numbers. So 1 if you want to use the random generator, and 2 if you want to pick the numbers. Is that another book coming in there? Hold on a second. No. Okay, we'll be waiting for another book. All right, so here we go. All right, so I see mostly random number generator. So let's go ahead here. So I said there is 502 signups. So here we go. Give me a drum roll before we proceed. Give me a drum roll before we proceed, please. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go. Generate 378. All right. Let me pull up the spreadsheet here, guys. So 378 is Akiko Takai. Akiko Takai. All right, hopefully I said that properly. Advanced, so his favorite video is the advanced orb and all of the Fib videos. All right. Thank you, Akiko. I think I know who you are, brother. Akiko. I think I know who you are. So shout out to Akiko. Congratulations. You won your copy of the SPY Options Mastery book, brother, and you're 1 month free in the room. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. All right. So guys, we're waiting for one more book purchase. One more book purchase is going to unlock another giveaway. All right. So call up your grandma, call up your aunts and your uncle, call up your family from overseas and tell them that Trading Wars is coming hard. We're coming hard and we need one more book sale. So we're going to go ahead and do a giveaway. All right. So call them up, call your dogs, call your retirement fund, whatever you got to do. Let's make it happen. All right. Let's move on. Okay. So here we go. Now, what we're going to do here, guys, is I want to do some intraday trading now. Okay. I want to do some intraday trading. Let's look at some intraday trading. So these were the last plays that we took in the day trading room. So this was Friday, this was Thursday. So I'm going to talk to you guys about that. We're going to look at that. Okay. So for the $89 price for the book, brother, you should have received that in your email. Okay, you should have gotten that in your email. Okay, so I sent that out. I sent that code out to anybody that signed up. All right, so let's go ahead here and let's talk about this right here. Okay, so this is the 5-minute chart on Friday. So I'm gonna go ahead here and hit a replay. Bam. We're gonna go down to a 3-minute chart right here and start off. So anytime we're going to trade from the day trade, guys, the first thing is this. I know I have a lot of new members, so make sure that you're following the SPY Setup Alert channel. This is where I do the live commentary every morning. I do the live commentary, okay? So make sure, so you'll see like I'm looking for the aura, blah, blah, blah. See, this is from Friday, so make sure you're following this one, okay? And then from there, let's go ahead. All right, so the first thing you want to do, you want to draw the previous day's high and low when you're intraday trading. It's always good to have those as a reference. Always, always good. So here's your high, here's your low. All right, first bar comes in, bam. So this bar right here, guys, right off the bat it's always about where the placement is. The placement of the bar, where it is on the chart, is always going to determine what your strategies are and what is the best way to trade them. So for example here, guys, we can see that this first 3-minute bar was pressed up against the previous day's low. Now that's very important because there are some people that were using the previous day's low as their stop loss and they got stop run, right? Okay, they got stop run. So they got boom and they came back up. So they got stop run. So whenever we have this volatile type of action right off the open, I love to use an opening range breakup. Always. So that's what we started off with in the room. So you'll see right here, I'm looking for the orb, triggers, short also. So there were 2 trades that we took together. So the first one, let's look at this orb. So the orb, boom, beautiful push up. Okay. So right here, guys, that's my partial, right? So we hit a partial, we hit a partial target off of that first 3-minute outside bar. And then we made a new high And every time we make new highs, guys, I'm always scaling out. So if I have 100 shares, if I have 500 shares, if I have 5 contracts, whatever, anytime you make a new high and you're long, you want to get out of some. Because the reason is, guys, is a new high, you always want to be getting out, especially with options on the way up. Because if you get out on the way up, you're going to get better prices for the premiums. So always remember that. You don't want to be getting out on the way down because the premiums are going to go against you. Okay. So the first one, we got a little nice push up here. Nothing major, hit a partial target. But the real banger play was the trigger. So I'm going to show you guys that. So here, SPY trigger day trades. Okay. So this was the one from Friday. So we were shorting at 476 with a stop at 476.94. So let me go ahead and get that line out here. So I'm going to go here. Let's put this in green. So we were shorting at 476 and the stop loss was, what did I say? 476.94. Okay, 476.94. All right. So here we go. So let me go ahead and draw this. So we shorted here. Stop loss was on this green line and the target was right here at 1-to-1, right around there. Okay. So what happened here, guys, is this. The first bar fills you short. So let me replay it again so we can see clearly. Let me do it again. Okay. So these are what we call automated trades, right? So you guys, you have the book, right? You know, I have some trades that are automated and some trades that are not automated. So let's look at these right here. So these are the 4 trades that we take. Opening range breakout, which is a non-automated trading strategy. We take fractal entries, which is non-automated. We take Fibonacci power entries, which is non-automated. And then we take trigger or breakout, which is automated. So the trigger method and the swing trade is automated. But everything else is non-automated, meaning you have to be at the chart. Okay. So right here, guys, first bar. So this green is when we get filled short. So let's play it. Bam. So we're here, we're short. Okay. Stop loss is here. So we come up, bam, come up again, come up one more time here. So honest question, how many of you would be freaking out when we're here? Your stop loss is right here and we're right here. How many of you would be freaking out? I was freaking out. So hit me with a 1 if you would have freaked out. Hit me with a 1. What do you guys think? Would you have freaked out? Would you have closed the position and just been like, look, I'm done? Like, it's painful, right? Like, emotionally as a trader, it's hard. It's hard to sit in that, but this is why the trigger is automated. So what is the point of automating? The point of automation is when you get in, you already have a stop and you have a target. So either one is going to hit. That's why I love automated trades, because I don't want to have to manage it, because I know that at some point the emotions might crush me. But if I can automate it, I have no emotions. Okay. So here we go, guys. So now let's keep this playing. Now we start to reverse. Bam. Right there. You're feeling good. Come down a little bit more. We pause with an inside bar, another little retracement, and then boom, boom. Targets achieved. See that? So that's beautiful. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right? And the whole point of that is just to show you guys, trust your trading plans. Like the triggers that I post are based on Fibonacci and average true range. They're based on specific things. I don't just pick random spots. They're very systematic. Okay. So trust your process. Always trust your process. So let's switch over to the 5-minute now and let's look at some of the fractals. Okay. So the fractals, guys. Boom. Let's see right here. Oh no, we got another book. Georgia with the book in the building. So that is the 3rd book purchase, guys. we're about to do a giveaway right now. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. You guys ready? You guys ready? Let's do it. Another book came in, guys. Let's do it. All right. All right. Hit me with the 4. Let's do it. Hit me with the 4. Let's hype this up for the book. Hit me with the 4 right now. Hit me with the 4. And how we're going to do this giveaway right now, let me think about this. Let's go to another one of our videos on YouTube. Let's get another one of our comments out here. So let's see. What else do we have here? Videos. So let's go back to how to trade SPY for a living part 1, because that's when I started asking for the comments. Okay. Oh, no. Advertising. Not good. 150 comments. Okay. 150 comments. This was a very successful video, guys. So I'm very, very happy. All right. So let's go ahead and pick a number from 1 to 150. I'm going to put in the generator and we're going to pick somebody here. All right. You guys feeling lucky? Who's feeling lucky right now? Who's feeling lucky? All right. Before I generate the number, hit me with a Trading Wars Army, Trading Wars SPY, Trading Wars VIP. For all the Trading Wars Army members in here, hit me with some Trading Wars love, and then I'm going to go ahead and drop this generator right here. Right? Trading Wars Army, SPY, VIP, Holy Grail. Let's do it. Okay, ready? Boom. 146. Oh my God, how am I going to do this? I have to count? Holy moly. Oh, no. 146. We just go from the bottom up, guys. That's it. Boom. See that? That's what we call a double bottom right there, guys. That's an outside bar with a double bottom on a Fibonacci. Beautiful. So we're going to go to the bottom. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so 4, okay, 150, 49, 48, 47, and 46. All right, Key Red. That is the man who won a copy of the book, Key Red, or Kyred or something. So shout out to the man, Key Red. You got a free copy of the SPY Options Mastery book. DM me for your book and your 1 month free in the SPY VIP. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. So we had another book purchase coming, guys. So 2 more book purchases and we're going to give away another one. Wait, is that another one there? No, that's not another one. All right. 2 more book purchases and we're going to give away another one. Okay. Yeah, that was the fastest you've ever seen somebody count from 1 to 146. All right. So now let me show you guys some fractal trades. All right, let me show you guys some fractals. So the first bar of the day, I generally ignore it, right? Because the first bar of the day is not like, you see how this first bar is an outside bar? I don't consider that a signal because it's just the first bar of the day is going to be a big bar normally, right? So I always go to the next fractal before I take fractal. So here we go. So we had this outside bar fractal. Okay. So this one came in here, guys. So let me show you how to trade the fractals. So if you're trading the fractal, all you do is you want to get short when it breaks the low, or you want to get long when it breaks the high. So in this case, guys, we broke the short right here. Okay. Let's say you had a stop loss right up here, up on this high, and then boom, and then you pull it down here, guys. That's your 1-to-1 target right there. Right. So that's pretty simple, right? And the bot that I have in the Discord, it calls those out, right? So if we go here, you'll see like these are the bot. The bot does its job and it calls out those fractals. So we are always aware. Okay. So there we got that one. And then after that, guys, we have an inside bar. So this inside bar, guys, was a trap bar because we broke the top and we broke the bottom. And that creates the nirvana. Okay, that's the nirvana, right? We break the high, we break the low, we have an inside, outside, that's a nirvana. In this case here, we break to the downside, so we get filled short. Let's keep your stop loss at the high for simplicity. So I have advanced stop loss placement, guys, but that's another topic. So I'm not going to talk about that right now. Then we pull back, let's see. And we roll over eventually. And we kind of stay sideways for a while, right? So let's keep that going. There we go. So I think the maximum we got out of this one here was what? About 0.5, which is half a target. But when I'm doing some advanced style of trading, guys, what I like to do is I like to put a Fibonacci on this outside bar. So like see right here. So this outside bar, I'm going to draw the Fibonacci from high to low like this. And instead of putting my stop at the high, if I'm very aggressive, I'm going to come off the 50%. And if we come out to 50%, guys, we already hit the target at 1-to-1 right there. Okay. Let me go ahead and refresh this because I'm lagging. Boom. Don't forget about the 100 in hearts in the Discord. Boom. What's going on, Roman? Trading Wars, don't forget about the 100 heart in the Discord. I don't think we got it, but it was close. Was that for another giveaway, brother? Was that for another giveaway? Okay, yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. No worries. We're gonna get that done. All right, guys. So there we go. So there's some fractals, right? There's some triggers. There's some everything. The only thing we have to add now is the Fibonacci. So let's go ahead and do the Fibonacci together. All right. I don't even remember that we had another one. All right. So hit me with a 1 right now. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and do some Fibonacci fun. Okay. Hit me with a 1. I'm going to show you guys some of those fibs. And then we're going to bang those out. All right. So here we go. So let's start from the beginning. On the 5, let's take our time. Let's make it big. Let's go. First bar right here. Let me make it a little bit smaller. Okay. So the point of the Fibonacci is to buy on a pullback or sell on a pullback. That's all. Very simple. We look at the push. We want to get in when it's coming back. We want a good deal. That's it. So here we go. Like we saw earlier, we had that. So that initial pop, and then we came down here. So if I take a Fibonacci and I draw it from the low to the high, right? So when we start coming down here, guys, the Fibonaccis are in play. And as you can see here, guys, what happens is we come right down to this. This is basically like what we call the last chance zone. So right around the 90, the 886 is right around here. Right down here, this is the last chance for the algo to step in. Algo steps in, guys, here, and then it starts to pop, bam, bam, right? Now, this is very, very important because I should probably go down to a lower time frame so I could show it to you guys easier. But anyways, so we had that algo pop, and then whenever we have the bull trade, the bear will trade too. So now with the bear is we take it from the high to the low, like this. And you see how almost exact this was? So the bear stepped in on the 618. Because remember, the bulls and the bears are trying to get, the algorithms are trying to get good deals. The algos are trying to get good deals. Okay. The big boys, whoever is running these algos, they want good deals. So right here, when we push down, we start pulling back. The 618 right here, 476.38. That's where they're layering into the shorts with a stop either at the high of the day or a stop over here. Okay. So we have that boom right there, and then we push through, bam. And then here we trade to the target. So you see that this is a measured move. It's a target to a target. Pull back to 618. We come pretty close to the 618 down here. So this is basically the bear loading up and offloading. So that's the algo, loading in, offloading. Okay. From here, these are awesome places for the reversals. Okay. These are awesome places for the reversals. Boom, 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 right? So now we pop up again, but notice we're still on this fib here. Let me go ahead and draw this box. Where the box at? Right here. So here's a box. Look, 618 to 50, this zone. Check this out, okay? We come back here, we reject again, okay? We push back down again. We come back up. Okay, and now this time it's a little bit shallower. And then we come back up again. Okay, we push a little bit through and then we start to reject again. See that? So it's just literally zones, guys, zones. So what you can do is you can either wait for the candlestick pattern, hit it with a candlestick, or you can hit it with a limit, right? And always remember this. The easiest way to do the Fibonacci is this. Wait for the first hour or two, right? So wait for about lunchtime to come and just take the Fibonacci of the full range. This is one of the easiest things to do. You take the Fibonacci from the complete high and you put it at the complete low of the day. So this is what I call the afternoon leg from the Fibonacci book. The afternoon leg, guys, what it does is it takes the full range of the day and then it uses the Fibonacci's as areas of support and resistance. And you can see here, the full leg, you have the 786 rejection 1, 2, 3, 4 times, guys. And then let me fast forward, boom. And then we have it again. See that? You see how precise this is? Look at this, 90. You see this 90? We tag it, bam. We tag it, bam. It's really high frequency robotic trading. That's really what it comes down to. And they're always looking for a good deal. That's something you'll see about robots when they trade. They're never looking for like big breakouts and stuff. They're looking to get pullbacks at a good price. And that's how they make a lot of money. And it's easy to program a robot to do that, okay? Because it's all percentages. So you can say, okay, the move was $10. So when we come back to $5, then get in. That's a 50% retracement, all right? So hit me with a 5 if you guys understand that. Hit me with a 5. Hit me with a 5 if you guys understand that. All right, let's do. All right, beautiful, beautiful. So let's do another giveaway here, guys. We're gonna do this one for Roman. For the 100 hearts in the Discord unlocks another giveaway. Let's do that. Okay. Shout out to my brother Roman for this is for the VIP. Okay. All right. So we're gonna do one specifically for the VIP, and then we're gonna do another one for the members on here right now. All right. So let's do another one, guys. What should we do? Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna give you guys the options. We can pick another giveaway winner from the YouTube videos. Okay. We can pick a giveaway winner from actually, before we do that, let's do this right now. Anybody with a green in their name, like Madness Fibs, Keishan right here, anybody with a green in their name, I want to do a giveaway just for you guys. Okay. Because I launched the Trading War Army only like maybe a month and a half ago, and I've been getting a lot of support. All right. So I'm going to do a giveaway just for the Trading Wars Army members right now. Okay. We're going to do that right now. So let me just show you guys real quick. So if you want to join the army, all you got to do is this. You go to the channel Trading Wars and you just click join. Okay. $4.99 a month. You get the loyalty badges and the custom emojis, and I do special chart requests and questions for you guys. All right. Let me link that in the chat right now. But let's do that for the army members because you guys have been supporting me and I need to give some back to you guys. All right. So we're going to do this. So if you're an army member and you already bought the spy book, you can get another book, right? Or you can get 1 month for free in any one of the rooms, whatever you want. Okay. So let's do that right now. So Trading Wars Army members right here. Oh, boom. Yeah, you guys can sign up right now if you want to. So shout out to Angie Smith. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Appreciate you. If you guys want to be in this giveaway, just go ahead and sign up right now. All right. So I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes. Okay. 2 more minutes. And let me get back to the chart while we're waiting for that. All right. So there we go. Okay. So let me get back. All right. So that was Friday, guys. Pretty clean. And then I just wanted to bring your attention to this pattern that came up on Thursday, because this was probably one of the rarest patterns that I've ever seen, period. Boom. Shout out to my brother Edgar right here. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army. So this pattern right here, guys, is one that I want to share because I don't think I've ever seen it. So this is a triple inside bar followed by an outside. So this is a triple inside into a nirvana. Okay. And literally, guys, all you got to do here is you take the break. Okay. You take the break of the nirvana. Keep it simple. So we had that triple consolidation here. So what do you think is happening to option premiums here? Option premiums is getting crushed, right? Because we went 5, 10, 15 minutes completely sideways. We went completely sideways for 50 minutes. Then we have the outside bar to cap it off, and then boom, the breakout. And that's why I want to show you that, guys, is because essentially this is what we're looking for. Consolidation, expansion. And that's what the inside bar is showing us. Right here, boom. Shout out to Scandis. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army, brother. Appreciate you. Okay, so this is what we're going to do right now. All Trading Wars Army members, hit me with the Trading Wars Holy Grail right now. The first person that hits me with a Trading Wars Holy Grail is going to get it. Okay, Trading Wars Army members, hit me with the TWHG right now. Let me see who comes up first. Am I lagging? Okay, boom. I see it right here. All right, let me go. All right, so right here, Siphon 10, Trading Wars Holy Grail. Boom, you won, brother. Appreciate you. Thank you very, very much for your support. Just DM me on Twitter after, and I will take care of you. All right, brother? I appreciate that. Thank you very, very much. Okay, boom. All right. And then, boom, shout out to Dev. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Boom, shout out to Pradeep. Welcome to Trading Wars Army. Don't worry, guys. If you just joined the Army, I will continue to do some giveaways for you throughout the week. So just remind me, and I will make sure to do that. All right? Boom. All right, so we're at 1 hour, and I went through some of the intraday. I went through some of the swings. All right. And sorry. Okay, guys. Yeah. Look, that's the first one that I saw, guys. All right. That's the first HG that I saw on my screen. So it might be the first one on your screen, guys, but that's the first one that I see on my screen. All right. So don't worry. We'll be doing more. All right. Anyways, where were we? So we did swings, we did day trades. You guys have your books. We're all good. Now what I want to do, let's open this up to some questions right now. Okay. Okay, so let's open up some questions. You guys go ahead and ask me some questions, and let's do that right now, guys. And then we will go. All right. How does the Bollinger Band? Do you ever sell premiums? No, I do not, brother. Glenn, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, brother. Appreciate you. How does the Bollinger Band help with taking a trade when we're focusing on the fib? So the Bollinger Bands, brother, I only use them for the higher time frames, weekly and above. They're not really, the Bollinger Band is not a primary indicator. It's a secondary indicator. So for example, like if I get a inside bar at the, like example like this, if I get an outside bar at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, that's a signal. If I get an outside bar near the middle of the Bollinger Band, it's a signal. It's just an extra confirmation, but it's not a standalone signal. Okay. What order do you recommend reading? Fib, drill down, and SPY. So if you're in the SPY VIP and you're trading with us every single day, make sure that you read the SPY book first. If not, then I would start off with the drill down book and then leave the Fibonacci for last. On swings, do you use fib triggers like the day triggers? Yes, sir. Yes, I do, but I also drill down. So I use two methods. When some of the trigger plays open inside the triggers, do you ever take orbs? Yeah, we definitely can take orbs. So Alex and John, thank you for the questions. But we take the orbs. You see that I called them out in the room. We take the orbs only on specific situations, though. We want to look for trap traders. Can you do an example how you set targets with the fibs? So right here, let's draw this fib like this. So the fib targets are pretty straightforward. Okay. So let's say you are getting in on a position and these are the measured moves here. So any one of these levels, 10%, 0.169, 272, any one of these levels you can start scaling out at. Okay. Anyone. So that's how you, so for example, so let's say you are taking, I don't know, this last Fibonacci here from low to high. I could pull it over and you can see here we hit the 10%, 0.169 and the 272. So these are targets on the way up. So just keep it very mathematical and very simple. Aside from the trading wars precondition, do you look for anything else to get a higher probability trade? I do look at volume, but that's kind of built into my scanner. So it's pretty much a patterns. That's what I look at. And yeah, I do look at the volume. I do, but not like, I just look for, you know, at least 1 million shares, for example, being traded, something simple like that, because I don't want to take anything that's a liquid, right? Hey, Rich, when we trade the outside bar, do we need to consider just the body of the candle or the wick as well? It's a great question. So you can do both ways. Normally, I look at everything, including the wick, but you could definitely just look at the body. I've seen some people do that. That can work as well. I want to confirm the use of 5-minute chart for day trade and daily for swing trade. I use when we are day trading, we use the 3, 5, and 15 minute. Those are the three charts. So 3 minute, 5 minute, 15. And then when we're swing trading, I wrote it in the book, right? Daily, 2-day, 3-day, weekly, 2-week, 3-week, monthly, 2-month, 3-month. Mostly the daily though. Can you talk about the raindrop indicator you're considering? Well, I have to meet with Trendspider to discuss more about it before I talk to you guys about it. I'm not sure if we can make it work because I'm looking for specific things. On swings, what if your triggers don't get hit and the stock trades sideways? We either adjust the triggers or we just cancel them. Usual contract count for scaling. I mean, if you're doing future contracts, you could easily have like, if you're doing full size contracts, at least like, 2 or 3. If you're doing small micros, you can have 20, 30 on. If you're doing options, it depends on your account size. You always want to do relative to your account. So if you have like, if you have a 10K account, 1 or 2 contracts, and then 20, 2 or 4, and so on. Future is giving some good trades right now. Let's take a look. Here we are on the 5 for the futures. So here we go, guys. Some nice, decent action. So we opened here with a little bit of a gap up. We had a Nirvana. We had an outside bar. And look, we had a Nirvana here at the top of the range. That happened at 2025, which is 8 o'clock, I believe, right? Yes. Am I right? No. Am I right? Yes. 8:25. We had a nice Nirvana pop down. So you could use these on futures too, guys, in the night if you want to. Do you perform manual scan from your watches, or do you use TOS scanners? I use Thinkorswim scanners, and I do my own watch list. I do both. Yeah. Did I check the monthly chart on SPY? Yep. That's great. I was going to post this. We have a beautiful monthly outside bar on SPY. Very, very powerful. Okay. Very, very powerful. All right, guys. Let me do one giveaway for my members that I appreciate them so much in the Discord. So we got 100 likes on this right here. So let's see. So the first person that liked was A_lamps. All right, brother. A_lamps. So I'm just right here in the Discord, guys. Let me show you. So I just looked here, and the first person that liked was A_lamps. Madness Fibs, I missed you again. Madness and Fibs, I'm sorry. We're gonna get you eventually. So A_lamps, the first person to like it there that I see, you won the giveaway in the SPY Discord. Okay, brother, appreciate you. All right, guys, there we go. I'm getting tired now. Hour and 7 minutes in. I got a whole bunch of emails to go take care of. I got to get your books out. I promise you I'm going to go get that out. I'm going to work on that right now. So, hey, thank you so much for being here. This has been a wonderful giveaway stream. I had so much fun with you guys. I don't know how many books we gave away, but hey, if you guys want, let's do one more. Okay? Actually, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to do one more giveaway, but it's going to be based on the person that comments on this video. Okay? So I'm going to end the broadcast here. I really want to thank you for your time. Make sure, guys, you get a copy of the book. I'm telling you guys don't even know how much time and effort it takes to make these masterpieces. All right. So anybody that got the link for $89.99, that link will expire in a few days. I'm not exactly sure when. I got it from PayPal. So within a few days. So if you want to get it at $89.99, make sure you use that link and grab your copy of the book. It comes with 1 month for free in SPY. You get the Nirvana, the golden indicators with alerts for lifetime, and the scanners. Okay. And the scanners. So make sure you do that. And here we go. So what I'm going to do, I'll see you guys bright and early in the SPY VIP tomorrow morning. Let's start off the week with a banger. If you guys want to just be a part of the SPY VIP, all you got to do is this. Come here to the SPY and stock trading rooms and just sign up right here. $39 a month. This price will be raised. So if you want to lock in at $39 for the rest of your life, you can, but you got to get it soon. I don't know when I'm going to raise it because I want the book to finish off, and then I'm going to change the price. Okay. I'm going to raise it. So, we're going to keep it at this for now if you guys want to lock in. All right. So thank you very much for your time. I'm going to end the broadcast here. If you want to enter the next giveaway, all you have to do is comment on this video. So I'm going to end the video right now. Comment when I end the broadcast. Comment on anything that you like about trading, about SPY, whatever. just comment something and you guys are going to have a chance to win. All right. Thank you very much for your time, guys. I appreciate you. This was fun. I will catch you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Take care.